Pizza Haven exudes charm with its laid-back vibe and varied menu, establishing itself as a beloved spot for families and friends throughout the Pacific Northwest. Its signature dishes consistently draw customers back for more. At its peak, Godfather's Pizza thrived with a distinctive menu that showcased hearty crusts and a plethora of toppings, transforming into a lively social hub filled with laughter and memories. However, by the late 80s, intensified competition initiated its decline. The emergence of themed pizza restaurants like Showbiz Pizza introduced a new dimension of entertainment to dining, crafting unforgettable experiences for families. Unfortunately, shifts within the food industry eventually led to their closures. By 1992, CHC Pizza underwent a rebranding to become Chuck E. Cheese, ushering in a focus on family-centric entertainment. This transition aimed to align with changing consumer preferences in the pizza market. In 2014, Chuck E. Cheese's acquisition by Apollo Global Management for $1.3 billion underscored its lasting appeal. Even amid transformations, the brand retains the enchanting atmosphere that families treasure. Pizza Inn, once a cherished family dining establishment, witnessed a decline in its fortunes due to stiff competition. Although nostalgic memories linger, the brand now exists as a mere echo of its vibrant past. Village Inn became a favored choice in the 70s and 80s, renowned for its pizza and salad bars. However, competition led to its gradual decline, resulting in many locations closing, yet the fond memories endure. By the 80s, Shakey's Pizza emerged as a national sensation, celebrated for its family-centric atmosphere and live music. While numerous locations shuttered, a few continue to evoke a sense of nostalgia. Noble Roman's Pizza enjoyed a rise in popularity in the mid-2000s thanks to its expansive franchising network. However, by 2008, financial difficulties arose, leaving only a few locations as a testament to its legacy. With over 50 locations, Pepe's Pizza emerged as a favorite for family gatherings and celebrations in the Pacific Northwest. This success is attributed to its welcoming environment and distinctive offerings. Founded in 1977, Pizza Time Theater brought an adventurous dining experience that combined pizza with arcade games and animatronics. This innovative entertainment model captivated audiences until financial struggles led to its decline. Pizza Haven pioneered the dial-a-pizza concept in Seattle, becoming known for its garlic bread and desserts. Despite rapid growth, it faced fierce competition from national chains, ultimately closing its iconic location in 2012. During the 1980s, Straw Hat Pizza flourished in California, offering a cozy atmosphere and delightful menu. However, economic challenges resulted in a significant reduction in locations over time. Mr. Gotti's Pizza, established in 1964, became a community center with its inviting buffet bars. Nevertheless, despite its popularity, it succumbed to financial difficulties and filed for bankruptcy in 2019. Beginning in 1959, Round Table Pizza earned recognition for its unique recipes and community-focused environment. Today, only a few locations remain, reflecting the evolving tastes and market dynamics. Dino's Pizza surged in popularity by the late 70s, with over 300 locations nationwide, each providing a charming atmosphere and enticing pizza. However, it struggled to keep pace with changing consumer preferences and competition in the 80s. Despite its initial success, Dino's Pizza faced mounting challenges that contributed to its eventual closure. In a parallel story, Pizza Delight, which began in 1968, encountered similar hurdles while initially thriving in Canada and the US. Like its predecessor, Pizza Delight became a favored gathering spot for friends and families, but ultimately faced challenges that hindered its longevity.